Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve one numerical problems on electricity chapter for CBSE 10. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohm and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the source that takes as much current as all the three appliances, and what is the current through it? That means we have to find out the total resistance of the circuit connected like this. That means R1 lamp of lamp resistance is R1 100 ohm, R2 is the resistance of toaster 50 ohm, R3 is the resistance of water filter, that is 500 ohm. All these resistances are connected in parallel, so we have to use the formula of parallel. And so first let now given lamp resistance R1 equals to 100 ohm. R1 equals to 100 ohm. Toaster resistance resist, resistance R2 equals to 50 ohm. Toaster resistance R2 equals to 50 ohm. Filter resistance, water filter resistance R3 equals to 500 ohm. Now all these are connected in parallel as shown in circuit. So these are connected in parallel. These are connected in parallel circuit. Therefore are therefore equivalent resistance equivalent therefore equivalent resistance, let us say Rp. Now we will use the formula 1 by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. These are three resistances. Now this will be equals to 1 by 100 ohm plus 1 by 50 ohm plus 1 by 500 ohm. So we will take the LCM and we will get 500. So this will become 5 plus 10 plus 1, that means 16 by 500. Therefore, Rp will become now 1 by Rp equals to 16 by 500 this will become 16 by 500 or by cross multiplication by cross multiplication Rp means resistance will be 500 upon 16. Once we cut it, we will get 31.25 ohm. So we have got the total resistance of the circuit is 31.25 ohm. Now the question is, what is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the source that takes as much current as all the three appliances? That means the total resistance of the source is 31.25. So we can say that the iron resistance resistance of iron, we can say resistance of iron equals to 31.25 ohm, since resistance of this is equal to the resistance of all the three sources. Now applying Ohm's law, that is I, the current we want to know, V by R. So here I equals to 220 upon 31.25. So once we calculate it, we will get 7.04 amp. So this is the current that will flow through the circuit, that is 7.04 ampere. So in this way the question can be solved, where there are three appliances and that are connected in parallel. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it. Thank you.